Okay, what we got here is the Coast G20 inspection beam LED flashlight. All this is aluminum housing. This is solid. Comes with a adjustable clip that you can put on your shirt or inside your bags, whatever you want to do. A Duracell battery, actually. Two AAAs is what this thing comes with, and that's what it's going to operate off of. The Coast G20 inspection beam light comes with two AAAs. And they're Duracells when they came in. I don't know if they do that for everybody, but they did it for me. It is waterproof. It has a IPX4 for water resistance. So you're not going to sink it, but it does have a certain amount of waterproof for when you got it in your pocket. Very simple. One light. Now what's really nice about this Coast G20 inspection beam, you don't punch it 3 times, 4 times, this, that. It's just on and off. That's it. That's all it is. Nothing more. Okay? Now let me show you how much beam it actually throws. Kill the lights. As you can see with the lights off, there's my hand. I'm going back with it. It does throw quite a bit of light. I may be, I don't know, not even a foot back. The further back you go, the bigger the beam gets. The closer you go, the more tighter the beam gets. You see that? Lights on. The nice thing about the Coast G20 inspection is it's just super, super affordable. Amazing. Links are in the bottom. By all means, go pick one up. After all, super, super affordable. I'll catch you guys on the next one.